Alright, in this video I'll be walking you through how to get paid Udemy courses for free, and this is 100% working. As you can see, this particular course right here, it cost 14,900, that's around $7 thereabout. And you can see right on this page, you can see your cart is free, and this is the course. You can see 14,900, that was strike, and it's free. You can see right there, so you can definitely enroll on it without paying any money. So you can see you have successfully added a course, so you see right there. So I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how to do this. So although it's a bit tricky, but not really that tricky. So what we're gonna do right now is head up to the Udemy homepage right now. Right, so let me go back to the home page. Right, so I'm gonna show you the website, which of course you're gonna be using, but then you just have to navigate through that particular course you are very much interested in exploring or in learning from. So we have business, we have development, we have finance and accounting, AI and software, office productivity, personal development, design, marketing, health and finance, and fitness, then music. So there are different categories, so just explore which one you actually want to go for. So let's say accounting and bookkeeping, for example, and the website we're going to be using also have different features just like that. But then so where the issue is it's all about where you're going to be finding that particular course on the website. And if you go to the website and see that particular course, you can actually just copy the course title and paste it on Udemy, and it will be more easier that way. You understand? So the website is this. I'm gonna put in the website URL in the description of this video, so you can actually find it so easy. So right, this is the website. So like I said earlier on, it's a bit tricky when you're trying to look for a course. So this search feature right here, so we're gonna make use of it and see if it's working. So let me check on so let's try to look for a course. So then we copy the title and paste it on the website. So let's say all right, so introduction to finance, accounting, modeling and valuation. So I'm not sure if I need that. I just want a course that will be useful for me, right? So let me search for a course around ChatGPT, or maybe affiliate marketing. I think ChatGPT is okay. So let me search for this. All right, so this particular course right here, I think people are really jumping onto this. So ChatGPT complete course. So let me search for this. So you can see this course right here, it costs around $30 thereabout. So I'm gonna highlight this title, and then it's around productivity. You can see around productivity, so I'm gonna just search on this website. So let me use the search bar right here. I just hope it works. I have not used the search bar before, so I'm not sure it's working. Sorry, the search is not working. So let me go back and search around productivity. Where is productivity? Select course category. All right, so I think I have the category right now. So let me look for productivity. Programming or office productivity. I think it should be here. So let's wait for it to load. ChatGPT. So that's why I said it's a bit tricky, because you have to manually look for the course. You can't actually search the name, right? So I'm not sure if it's here. Google spreadsheet, mastering ChatGPT, AI and PowerPoint presentation. I'm not sure this is the course. So let me open on the page 2. So don't worry, I'll show you how it works. So that you can also find it easy. Flash filling. Alright, I think it's not here, so let me check on page 3. I'm not sure if it's here too. So this is why I say it's a bit tricky. So I think I select the right category, right? Let me check the category again. Sorry. Oh, that's not it. Okay. Other office productivity, and ChatGPT. I'm going to try to check on the productivity again, or let me just go back. You can see, don't let me just waste much of the time, because I can actually keep on doing that. I don't know the exact page that this thing is, so I'll just search for another course, which of course is paid course as well. So you can see all these Excel accounting tools are also paid one. But for real, I actually want something that also be benefit for me, which of course I might learn through that. So that's why I'm looking for a course that actually resonates with what I need. Alright, so this one, accounting 2, accounting 6. So I'm not sure I actually need this. So let me go back. Office productivity, personal development. Oops. Android. And even they have ChatGPT right here, I think it will be more easier for me to see, but there is no ChatGPT right here. ChatGPT is not there. Graphics design category, no, at all. Video editing, network and system, not at all. Academic, blockchain, business, certificate, as personal finance. So like I said, if this happens, so the best way is for me to just find the course directly from the website. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is just copy the title of that course and paste it on Udemy. Then maybe that way it will be more easier for me to find the course. But then I've tried this method and it's not working. So let me check on the business. Alright, you can see it's not here. This is Japanese, which this was just English. Let me try another one. It's not here too. Is it English? QuickBooks. I think I actually want QuickBooks course too, but I'm not sure if I need this right now. But then let me use this QuickBooks course. So let me click on it. It's English, you can see right there. So let me search for this course and see if it's available on Udemy. So here is the course. I already copied the title, then come to Udemy and paste the course. You can see it's already suggested. So you can see this is the course right here. You can see the price of the course. So let me open that. So you can see this course is not free. So you can see right there, this course is not free. So what we need, go back to this page, then scroll all the way down, then click on take course. Then you see this page right here. You can see coupon, course coupon, then highlight from the last number, so the last one before the equal to, then copy, go back to that course, then scroll all the way down, enter coupon, then paste in the coupon and click on apply. Then you can see the course is now free. So that is how you can do it. So you can see the course is now free. Then I'm gonna click on enroll now, so you see that it's real. So your card is free. So instead of paying this money, so I'm gonna do this for free. So I'm gonna click on enroll now. Then you can see you're successfully enrolled on this course, so I can start learning right now. So if I click on start course, then you can see the course will start. So this is not fake, this is real, and you can actually do it on any course as long as you find a course coupon on this platform. So you're gonna paste in the coupon code and you'll be able to enroll on that course. So that is how it works. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.